Hello, my name is Keith Brown. I'm a Daycom Service out of St. Louis. We today are going to change toner out of the KIP. It's pretty straightforward. We just kind of want to give you a walkthrough, show you what you're looking at. We're just going to use the cyan. They're not really due right now, but I want to show you the steps on how to get it changed. So if you'll notice, once it's shipped, it's only showing about halfway. They really recommend to shake this up really good before you put it in there. Now you'll notice, see how full it is? It's a very liquid toner. You'll pop the seals. And what you're looking to do is these fingers here on the front, they usually go to the front of the machine. We'll lift this lid. I usually just pull it out a little bit. It takes, it's a lot easier to open doing that. So pull it out a little bit, lift the lid. Again, line these tabs up to the front, like so. This is to lock it into place, so you don't have to hold on to it. And then on the back side, you'll see this blue block here. You just pull it straight back, and that will drop it down in there. And then wait till, you can kind of see the toner as it's adding in. So wait till you see it pretty well out. You can tap the sides. It will help migrate it, and it will also, in case there's air compact, it'll help sift it down into the system. Once it's done, you push this door back in, go ahead and remove your lock, and then on the back side here, there's a little lever right here. You push that to release it, and then you just lift it up. And that's your toner. Thanks, hope this helped. If you have any more questions, you can call us at 314-442-2800, or you can visit our website in the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips. Thank you.